we're not. 24107 with a terminating X47. Now let's see what he does. There's another one coming in, he's an X78. One of the routes that Inter works with it. He'll probably go and work the X47 and he'll do the X78. I'm not too sure how these routes work. I've got 22580. I'm waiting for an ALX to take me to Kingston Park if there's one coming. Trying to work it out. And there's just some Haymarket action in the distance. 684 terminating in from Hexham. 672, I didn't know that was a Hexham now. There's the vehicle we've just been on, 22409. The driver is out of the car by the looks of things, he's just shut the windows. X1's off, as that pulls in. 24108. Six 103, 7630, 7581. And the 306 is leaving, and the X8 is also. .306. X45 for Concert and 32 for Walker. Here comes swinging in 6341 with an X45. This is the X-Line's X45 service to Concerts. And there's a 12 coming in, terminating. Or a 10 coming in and going out as a 12. One of the two. Here is a sight that you are very, very unlikely to see anywhere these days. In Newcastle anyway. 2 ALX 300s. I'll consider myself lucky. Thanks Slayford Depot. I don't know what that one is. 4 or something. And the 309's out and all. 6115. Oh, and there's 685 terminating in. Two 2408. Two of them. 2 and 1. Do you see that? 2 and 1 there. 5465. 12's moving there. We've got a 685 coming in from Carlisle. 27142.